everyone. So one of the natural teas that actually helped me to conceive after literally 10 years of trying was red raspberry leaf tea. Now, if you haven't heard my story, I would strongly suggest watching it as I discuss my fertility struggle, how I overcame it, and healed myself naturally. Now, I drank literally 1 cup a day, 1 cup of red raspberry leaf tea a day. I steeped it as much as possible, and it really, really helped, heal as well as prime my uterus in preparation to become a mother. This I did probably 2 years prior to becoming pregnant. For thousands of years, red raspberry leaf has been acknowledged for its fertility boosting benefits, for its high levels of vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, as well as many others. It is also known to extend the luteal phase and to help tone the uterine lining to support pregnancy. This is actually especially important for those with defects that prevent implantation. Now imagine 1 cup or 1 tea bag a day is like literally a really strong punch towards your infertility. So just the more tea you drink, the stronger a punch you will get and the faster you will heal.